Hey, what's going on? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Python programming and creating a classic game: rock, paper, scissors. If you're new here, don't worry, we'll be taking it step by step, so even if you're a beginner in programming, you'll be able to follow along. So our first step, let's import a module called random. The random module in Python provides functions to generate random numbers. In the context of the rock, paper, scissors game, the random module is particularly useful as it allows you to select a random element from a list. Now we'll create a list that contains options rock, paper, and scissors. Options equals rock, paper, and scissors. Let's create a variable called running. It will control whether the game continues running. We'll set it into true. Now we'll create a while loop. While running. This initiates a loop that runs as long as the running variable remains true. Within the loop, I'll create a variable called player and set it into none initially. Now, let's create for computer. Computer equals random.choice from options. It is randomly assigned a choice from the options list using random.choice method. Now within the loop, let's create another while loop. While player not in options. Player equals input. Enter a choice. Rock, paper, and scissors. This initiates a nested while loop that repeatedly prompts the player to input their choice until it's a valid option: rock, paper, or scissors. Now we'll print out the choices made by the player and the computer. Print. We'll use F strings. Player. Curly brackets. Player. Now do same thing for computer. Print. F, computer. Curly brackets. Computer. Now we'll determine the winner based on the choices made by the player and the computer and prints the result accordingly. If choices are the same, it's a tie. Otherwise, the code checks for winning conditions and declares the player as the winner or the computer as the winner. If player double equals to computer, then print it's a tie. Elif player equals to rock and computer equals to scissors, then print you win. Elif player equals to paper and computer equals to rock, then print you win. Elif player equals to scissors and computer equals to paper, then print you win. And in the else block, print you lose. Now, we'll ask the user if they want to play again. If the input is not Y, it sets the variable running to false, which breaks the main while loop and ends the game. If not input, play again. Y n dot lower method equals to Y. Then running equals to false. Hope you understand. And at the last, print thanks for playing. Subscribe for more. Let's run this. Enter a choice, let's say rock. So it's a tie. Play again, yes. Try paper this time. Yeah, I won. One last time, try scissors. No, I lost. Play again, no. Thanks for playing, subscribe for more. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on creating a rock, paper, scissors game in Python. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Remember, coding is all about practice. So take this code, experiment, and make it your own. I hope you had fun following along and learned something new today. Thanks for watching.